Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, we have chapter homeostasis. Today we are going to start lecture number 6 about excretion in animals. First of all, the definition: the removal of metabolic waste from the body is called the excretion. To eliminate the nitrogenous waste or metabolic waste from the body from the animals, it is very essential, and this process is known as the excretion. Nitrogenous waste are the main excretory products which is present in the body or in the cell, which cause intoxication to the cell. So it is essential to discharge nitrogenous waste. The excess amount of nitrogen is excreted usually in the form of ammonia, urea, and the uric acid form, while the lower quantities of the nitrogen is excreted in the form of creatine, trimethylamine oxide, while a small quantity of the nitrogen is excreted in the form of amino acids, purine, and the pyrimidines. Metabolism of purine and the pyrimidines bases produces significant amount of nitrogenous waste of hypoxanthine, xanthine, allantoin, urea, uric acid, and the ammonia. The excretory products which are released from the different animals, these are the ammonia, urea, and the uric acid. So we'll discuss some of the examples. Ammonia will discharge by the most of the aquatic animals, including fishes, while the urea is discharged by the mammals, amphibians, shark, and many bony fishes. Uric acid is discharged by the birds, insects, many reptiles, and the land snails. Ammonia is the most poisonous gas, and then the urea, then the uric acid. The nature of the excretory products. Ammonotelic. Ammonotelic, the phenomena of removing ammonia is called the ammonotelic. Those organisms which release ammonia are called the ammonotelic. For example, many aquatic animals which include invertebrates and the fishes, it's very toxic and it is dissolved quickly in the body fluids. Large amount of water is required to eliminate ammonia. About 500 ml of water is required to eliminate 1 gram of nitrogen in the form of ammonia. So those organisms which are present in an environment where then excess supply of water is present, they need to discharge ammonia with a passive time, otherwise it is very toxic and dangerous for the survival of the living species. So approximately 500 ml of water is required to discharge 1 gram of ammonia. In another case, ureotelic, the phenomena of removing urea is called ureotely. Animals, those who excrete urea, are called the ureotelic, and it includes mammals, most amphibians, some bony fishes, and sharks. These organisms are present in an area where moderate supply of water is available. It is less toxic as compared to the ammonia. approximately 50 ml water is required to eliminate 1 gram of urea. So in this case, we have seen that these organisms remove urea from the body in the form of excretory waste, especially in the restricted supply of water, especially in the terrestrial animals where the moderate supply of water is available. They need to be detoxified, they need to be discharged metabolic waste, and approximate 50 ml of water is required to eliminate 1 gram of nitrogen. In the case of uricotalic, the phenomena of removing uric acid is called the uricotally, and those organisms which discharge urea in this form are known as the uricotalic animals. These include the birds, insects, many reptiles, and the land snails. It is the least toxic as compared to the ammonia and the urea. So, uric acid is the least toxic. Approximately 1 ml water is required to eliminate 1 gram of nitrogen in the form of uric acid. So these organisms discharge different amount of metabolic waste either in the form of urea or ammonia or uric acid. It is essential to discharge metabolic waste from the body so that the toxic material must be discharged out, removed out from the body. As we have studied in previous lectures, excretion in the plants, they also require to remove metabolic wastes. Similarly, in the animals, they also need to be discharged metabolic waste. With this, thank you, students.